Hey everyone, welcome back to iTechWhiz. Today, we're taking a fresh look at the iPhone 12's camera in 2024. With all the new smartphones out there, you might wonder how this classic device stacks up today. Let's dive into a camera test and see if the iPhone 12 is still a photography beast. Before we jump into the test, let's quickly recap the iPhone 12's camera specs. It comes with a dual camera system, a 12 megapixel wide and a 12 megapixel ultra wide lens. These cameras were top tier back in 2020, but how they perform by today's standards? We'll test them in various conditions, from bright sunlight to low light and even night mode. Daylight photography. Starting with daylight photography, the iPhone 12 is known for producing sharp and vibrant images. I took it out on a sunny day to capture some outdoor shots. As you can see, the colors are still vivid and the details are crisp. The Smart HDR3 technology does a great job balancing highlights and shadows. Even in 2024, these photos can easily stand up to the competition. Portrait mode. Next up is portrait mode. This feature was a game changer when it first came out, offering a beautiful bokeh effect. I took some portrait shots to test how well it handles edge detection and background blur. The results? Surprisingly good. The depth of field looks natural and the subject stands out perfectly. The iPhone 12 still knows how to capture stunning portraits. Ultra-wide lens. The ultra-wide lens on the iPhone 12 offers a 120-degree field of view, perfect for capturing expansive landscapes or fitting more into your frame. Even today, this wide-angle perspective holds up really well. Low light performance. Now, let's talk about low light. The iPhone 12 introduced night mode on both the wide and ultra-wide lenses. I tested it in a dimly lit room, and the photos are pretty impressive. There's minimal noise, and the details are well preserved. Even in 2024, the iPhone 12 handles low light conditions like a pro. Video recording. The iPhone 12 is also known for its video recording capabilities, offering 4K Dolby Vision HDR. I shot some videos in different lighting conditions, and the footage is smooth and clear. The stabilization works well, and the colors pop. Whether you're vlogging or capturing moments, the iPhone 12 still delivers high-quality video. Final thoughts. So, is the iPhone 12 still worth it in 2024? When it comes to the camera, I'd say yes. It might not have all the latest features, but it still produces stunning photos and videos. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option that performs well, the iPhone 12 is a solid choice. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to iTechWhiz for more tech reviews and camera tests. Let me know in the comments what you think about the iPhone 12's camera in 2024. Catch you in the next video.